Download BT controller in both devices. This phone is for the controller or gamepad. And this phone is for the PPSSPP games. Let's set up first the controller or gamepad. Open BT controller. Scroll down a little bit and click that blue screen. And search PPSSPP. Select any templates and download it. Click Use Emulator to set up the controller. Let's click back. And now let's connect them with each other. Click Create Host. And enable all the permissions. Follow all my steps. You can choose either Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, but for me I'll choose Bluetooth. Follow all my steps. Click Bluetooth to the other device. Allow all permissions. After that, connect to the device. Now open the PPSSPP app. Click Settings and then click Controls and then click Control Mapping. Now let's us set up our controller. Just follow my steps in order to be guided. After setting up, you can now play your games with your awesome controller or gamepad. So here is a gameplay of mine that recorded on my emo and sad night days, Skibidi toilet.